Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Christmas memory match in Bee Swarm Simulator. This exciting minigame is a key part of the annual Beastmas event, bringing festive cheer and fantastic rewards. You'll need to complete specific quests to unlock it, so let's dive into the details. We'll cover everything from accessing the event to maximizing your rewards. To unlock the Winter Memory Match, your first step is reaching Spirit Bear. This character is found atop several platforms to the right of your hive area, requiring some game progression. Once there, you must complete Spirit Bear's extensive Galentine's Shrine quest. This questline involves gathering millions of pollen, collecting various tokens, and donating specific items to the Wind Shrine. Once unlocked, you can play the Winter Memory Match for a cost of 100 snowflakes per attempt. This minigame resets every 4 hours, giving you multiple chances each day to earn rewards. The goal is simple: match identical cards to reveal and claim the hidden prizes. You typically have 8 chances to make matches, so focus and remember card positions for the best outcome. The Winter Memory Match offers a wide array of fantastic rewards. You can win common items such as 10 or 15 tickets, 100 gumdrops, and 5 microconverters. More excitingly, rare prizes include mythic eggs, festive beans, and even star treats. Consistently playing this minigame provides excellent opportunities to enhance your beehive with these valuable and often premium items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.